Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to find your comments likes on Facebook. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to easily access and view the likes on your comments on the Facebook app for Android devices. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile to access more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Activity Log to view your recent activity on Facebook. Then tap on Your Facebook Activity to see a list of all your interactions on the platform. Now, look for the option that says Manage Comment and Reaction and tap on it. This will bring up a list of notifications for your comments, including the number of likes they have received. To view the likes on a specific comment, simply tap on the comment you are interested in. You will be able to see a breakdown of the likes, as well as any reactions or replies to the comment. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and view the likes on your comments on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.